everybody. I'm here in Austin and I have a very special vlog for you guys this week. I'm gonna be vlogging all week. I am leaving Austin. I'm moving to Vancouver, Canada. I haven't really spoken about it too much, but I've mentioned it here and there. I was actually planning to move to Vancouver earlier this year in February, and it just kept getting postponed because of so many things, which included travel, work, whatever it is, border issues, COVID, etc. But I am finally moving to Vancouver. I am closing this chapter in my life here in Austin. I love Austin. It's been my home for the past 10-11 years. It will always be home. Austin has a very special place in my heart, and in this video I want to show you guys what I'm doing to prepare for my move, how I'm moving to a different country. You guys probably know I move to different countries quite often, but this time I'm moving for 6 months to a year, who knows how long. And after I move to Vancouver, I probably will not be returning to Austin. I'll probably move somewhere else, hopefully New York. I'm putting it out there in the world, in the universe, because I really want to move to New York. Yeah, moving is a whole process, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. Of course, when I get to Vancouver, I'm going to give you an apartment tour. I'm gonna give you furniture shopping advice, whatever it is. I'm so excited. Before I show you my face right now, I just want to say don't be alarmed. I had microneedling done on my face yesterday. So this is a treatment where they take a pen that has a bunch of needles. The needle head we used yesterday had 36 needles and my face was numb, but we stamped my face all over with this pen and it helps with collagen production, scarring, uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles, purging your face of toxins and just clogged pores and everything. So my face will be like this for the next couple days. However, the vlog must go on, and it is Thursday. I'm leaving on Saturday to Vancouver. So I am finally getting into the thick of packing. I've kind of been slow with moving, I'm not gonna lie, because I kind of just didn't know where to start, but I have to get to it now. So I am packing my suitcase, my big suitcase. I did pack my carry-on suitcase already, which I rolled all my clothes, all the clothes I could possibly stuff into it. I want that suitcase to be as full and heavy as possible because I will be carrying it onto the plane with me. So they're not gonna weigh that suitcase, so I can fit as many things as I can. Now I'm gonna pack the rest of my clothes into my bigger suitcase, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and pack my supplements, my miscellaneous things, my toiletries, whatever else I have, and I'll show you guys how I pack all that. And then I'm gonna be shipping a box as well, so I will show you guys what I'm going to end up shipping. This is my suitcase that I have here. It's quite big. I'm starting off with packing my pants and dresses, coats, things like that. I want to just get all of that in here and then move on to like smaller things to see where I can fit it and how many more bags I will need or how many boxes I will need to ship. And I am done with this suitcase. It is super full and I am actually kind of worried that I have too many things and I won't be able to fit everything in both my suitcases, because usually what happens is you think you have this many things to pack and take with you and then you have like double that. So I'm really hoping that I'm able to fit everything and I don't have to squeeze things in. Now we're here in my kitchen where I am organizing my supplements and kitchen things that I'm taking with me to Vancouver. So usually I wouldn't move food, but I do want to take these supplements with me and maybe a couple other things because I'm gifted a lot of these things for collaboration purposes, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever it is. So I'm working with these brands and I want to continue working with them. So of course I'm going to take the products that they sent me, and also these products that I use are more pricey than just regular groceries, like for example vital proteins, collagen, glutamine, like mushroom supplements, things like that. They are more pricey, and I know that if I go to Canada without them and I just repurchase them there, it would cost me more to just repurchase them than it would for me to actually move them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of these. And another thing that I love to do regarding food and skincare when I move anywhere is to take things with me that I know I will use up while I'm there, because then you use it up and you don't have to move it back. So you might be moving with more things, but you're making use of it, you're saving money, and then you also will have more space freed up when you move to your next place or when you move back home or whatever it is. And some of the kitchen appliances that I'm going to be taking over here. Obviously, I'm taking my Vitamix, which I'm super excited to be taking. I'm not taking my juicer. I might purchase a juicer while I'm in Canada, a cheap one for like $20 or something. I'm taking this mocha that I got from Italy. I don't think I'm gonna take my French press just because I could use this, and I think I might get an espresso when I'm there. And I'm taking my frother because it's small and I use it and I love it and all that. So these are the kitchen things that I'm taking. I'm going to pack them up and I'll show you what it looks like when I pack them all up. We're at CVS to get my COVID test because Canada requires you to be both vaccinated and have a COVID test to enter. Even if you're a citizen, I don't know what it's like for non-citizens. I think that you can't even enter if you're non-citizen unless you have like a very good reason. So I scheduled my test 2 days before my flight. I actually forgot about this because I've been so busy today packing and running errands and everything. Starting to pack my second suitcase. I'm gonna go run to the store and get a box to pack my other things, but everything's starting to really hit me that I am moving in 2 days, how much I have left to do, and also kind of feeling a bit sad and down. I do move a lot, but I always end up getting very attached to the places that I'm in, the people, my routine, the places I go. I always have gotten attached, even though as a child I moved literally like probably over 30 times. I grew up in Australia and Canada and was in Pennsylvania and London and literally so many places all over the world. It's still hard for me every time I move, but I'm trying to stay positive and just kind of use this time to reflect as well. Excuse the mess because obviously I'm packing, but I also wanted to show you guys my room. I'm grateful for it, but it is pretty small and I moved all of my stuff from college into this room, so it's quite crowded. But my bed is here, and then I have a shelf and all my stuff that I'm packing is here, a wardrobe and a closet. So as you can see, moving a whole apartment into this room, into this space was quite difficult, so I'm really excited to finally have my own place. So I'm just trying to pack up all of this stuff. I put it in this toiletry bag thing that I have here, and I have these, which these are going to be my Amazon product, but it's going to look a little bit different. I'll have more information about that very soon, so stay tuned, but you can find out more on Instagram. And actually I'll have YouTube videos. I do have YouTube videos about Amazon FBA if you want to check those out. I have this bag, all of these things that I'm basically just putting into smaller bags and going to pack up and stuff in my suitcase along with other things, and then whatever doesn't really fit, I'm going to fit it in my box to ship it. What's up, guys? I'm here at the UPS store. I chose UPS instead of FedEx. It's actually a bit cheaper, and I filled out everything online, and then I called and I was like, hey, do I have to fill this out online or can I come in and you guys can do it? They said I can come in, but when I filled it out online, my total came up to around $130, and then when I came in, it was going to be $100 for just one box, and I have 2 boxes. So they actually have a 45% discount if you fill it out online, so I would definitely recommend to do that instead. So shipping 2 boxes that are around 40 pounds each is going to cost me like $130, which I think is not too bad. But yeah, super simple. What's your name? Cirlo is great. He's been so helpful. He helped me carry my box in from the car and everything. And yeah. UPS did not pay for this one yet. No. Great experience here at UPS. Today's the day. It's moving day. I am finishing some last minute things. Plot twist, I shipped 2 boxes yesterday and I think I'm going to ship 1 more. But here's my mess, if you're wondering. Finally, I'm closing up my suitcases. I have mostly clothes in this one. This one has a lot of random stuff and food and things like that. So need to go to the airport soon. I'm really hoping they're not overweight. I ended up shipping 3 boxes, which cost me about $160, but I think it's worth it. But I'm gonna zip this up. I'm at Austin's airport. I literally cannot deal with my face like this in this camera. I'm so sorry you're looking at this, but I'm gonna close out this vlog. I am on my way to Vancouver. I had 2 suitcases and a carry-on, but I actually was able to check all 3. They really helped me out today because all my suitcases were overweight. But he turned a blind eye, so I paid $80 for 2 suitcases, and then the third one, he just checked it for free. Thank you so much to the kind human who did that for me. Yeah, I shipped 3 boxes, and I'm on my way to Vancouver. I'm feeling so many different things. I'm super excited, but also feeling kind of sad that I'm leaving Austin because of course this is my home, but I'm going to do some reflecting, some journaling, and setting intentions while I'm flying on the plane for what I'm going to be going to Vancouver to do. And I have a lot of exciting things coming. I'm going to be showing you my whole apartment, the tour, how I decorate it, and filming lots of content. So subscribe so you don't miss that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.